Hello and welcome to Carpentry. Today we're diving into the world of an assistant handyperson. These professionals are the unsung heroes who keep our commercial and public buildings in top shape. Let's explore the top 5 essential tasks they handle every day and why their work is so crucial to keeping our buildings safe, functional and looking their best. First up, we're tackling painting and glazing. Now, you might think this is all about aesthetics, making the place look pretty, but it goes way beyond that. Paint acts as a protective layer for your walls, sealing them from moisture and preventing mold. Using the right kind of paint is crucial, the durable stuff that can withstand wear and tear. Now let's talk about windows. A cracked or broken window is not just an eyesore, it's a security risk and an energy waster. Heat escapes in the winter, cool air leaks out in the summer, and your energy bills skyrocket. A good assistant handyperson knows how to repair and replace glass, ensuring your building is sealed tight and energy efficient. It's about understanding the materials, using the right techniques, and taking pride in a job well done. All right, let's move on to carpentry. This is the backbone of any building, the stuff that holds it all together. We're talking about doors, windows, frames, floors, you name it. A skilled assistant handyperson can spot issues like a sagging door or a loose floorboard and fix them right, ensuring the structural integrity of your building. They're not just slapping on band-aid solutions, they're getting to the root of the problem. Regular inspections and preventative maintenance are key. Catching these issues early can save you a whole lot of headaches and money down the road. Now let's talk carpets. A well-maintained carpet not only looks good, but contributes to a healthier environment and can prevent accidents. Carpets trap dust, dirt and allergens, so regular vacuuming and deep cleaning are essential. A worn-out carpet with rips or loose edges is a tripping hazard. A good assistant handyperson knows how to repair these issues, ensuring safety. Proper cleaning and care can extend a carpet's lifespan and keep your building looking its best. Let's talk about electrical work. And let me tell you, this is not the area to cut corners. Electrical issues can be dangerous, even deadly if not handled properly. A qualified assistant handyperson understands the ins and outs of electrical systems, from replacing light fixtures to troubleshooting panels. A flickering light might seem minor, but could indicate a serious issue. Overloaded circuits, faulty wiring, outdated panels, these are all recipes for disaster. Regular inspections and maintenance are crucial. A qualified assistant handyperson can identify potential problems before they become major issues, keeping your building safe. Finally, let's talk about plumbing. This is the circulatory system of your building, and things can go wrong if it's not properly maintained. From leaky faucets to burst pipes, a good assistant handyperson knows how to tackle all sorts of plumbing issues. Proper pipe insulation prevents freezing and bursting in cold weather. Spotting signs of corrosion or wear can prevent future problems. Preventative maintenance is key when it comes to plumbing. Regular inspections and timely repairs can save you a whole lot of trouble and money in the long run. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of an assistant handyperson and the essential tasks they handle every day. These skilled professionals are the unsung heroes of building maintenance, keeping our spaces safe, functional, and looking their best. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Carpentry YouTube channel for more insights into the world of building maintenance and repair. See you in our next video.